Okay, hello. See if I can get my face in here. It's a video for that problem I think you were talking about. It's the one that I scanned the picture of. So, I basically drew a picture of a Cartesian plane. It didn't have to be perfect, you know, just try your best. A Cartesian plane is basically a number line. You have a horizontal number line and a vertical up and down. The horizontal, the horizontal, the sideways one is called X, and the up and down, the vertical, is called Y. It has positive and negative numbers. Anything to the right for X is positive, and then once you pass this intersection here, anything to the left is going to end up being negative. For the Y, anything up is positive, and anything down is negative. So I drew my Cartesian plane, and in the problem they tell you that point A, they give you the points A, B, and C because it's a triangle. Point A was 5, 3. So I'll show you over here real quick. The coordinates 5, 3. 5 is first. So anything that you have something first, like the 5, this looks a little blurry, hold on. Anything you have first is going to be your X, or the sideways, the horizontal. Anything that's second, like this 3, is the Y, which is the up and down. So when I'm going to put the point on here, I'm going to go over 5, and then up 3, and then put a point there. So that point, it has the coordinates 5, 3, and it's labeled A. And then B was 2, 1. So I go over 2, up 1, and make my point. That's 2, 1. I'll put B there. Okay, hold on, I gotta see why it looks blurry. Okay. And then C is negative 2, negative 4. Negative 2, positive 4. So that means I'll go over to this negative 2 and then up to the positive 4. That's about right here. It's close enough. So negative 2, 4, and that was C. So now I have my 3 points, and I can just connect the dots. Oops, it's a little messy there, sorry. And alright, now what they want you to do is take this original triangle and they want you to flip it over the x-axis. Flip it over the x-axis. Your x-axis is this line, basically the x line. So when you do that, all your x's stay the same. The 5 will stay the same, your 2 is going to stay the same, and the negative 2 is going to stay the same. But your y's are going to change sign. This 4 will become a negative 4. This 1 will become a negative 1. And this 3 will become a negative 3. So I'll make my new coordinates for my x-axis, for my triangle that I flipped over or reflected over the x-axis. So I'll do A first. So I'm going to keep 5 over 5, but down to negative 3. So these new coordinates are going to be 5, negative 3. And then this B here, I'll keep the 2. Instead of going positive 1, it's going to be negative 1. Oops. So now it's 2, negative 1. That's B. And lastly, C, I'll have negative 2, and then now negative 4. And then I can connect these points and make the triangle. So this was your last answer choice. It said A, the coordinates for when you reflected it, A would become 5, -3, B would be 2, -1, and C would be -2, -4. That was your last answer choice. So that's basically it for this problem. If there's any questions or anything, or if this was still too confusing, just let me know. And that's it. I'll talk with you later.